guys, it's Taylor, aka BeautyThat, and today I'm going to show you how to work out. Follow me. Hey guys! So to start my workout, I'll usually warm up on the treadmill or the pre-core machine. And depending on the length of my strides, I can actually target both of my glutes and my thighs with this exercise. Just a reminder that if you are trying to do an intense workout, you need to make sure that you warm up light. Now, y'all already know that when I work out with my mamacita, we don't play no games because we came here to work. But this next exercise, I'm going to be using an 8-pound medicine ball, and I'm throwing it, catching it, doing a squat, and then repeating. The key elements to this exercise is A, throwing with as much power as you can, B, following through with each repetition, and C, squeezing at the top of your squat. I know your ladies are trying to look cute in the gym, but if you don't do the awkward looking squeeze at the top, you're not targeting the muscle. Right after that, I'm jumping straight into the rope pull. So for as many reps as you did for the medicine ball exercise, you're going to double that for the rope pull. Personally, I'm a leg girl, so you know these arm exercises really are rough for me, but we gotta push through, girl. We can do it. Also, quick reminder, make sure that you remember to do 2 to 4 sets of each of the exercises. And this is depending on the level of intensity you're going for. I'm now doing some sled pushing, which develops strength in the glutes, calves, hamstrings, quads, core, you name it. I only added 20 pounds to the sled and I lasted about 2 laps. I don't know what it is about this exercise, but the pain really does sneak up on you. All I know is that you're gonna feel it 100%. And what's a workout without messing around a bit? You have to have a little fun. Using the hanging cables, I'm going to be doing some isolated pull-ups in a layout position. This is again a great upper body workout that uses your body's natural weight and resistance. Remember to take this exercise extremely slow. You want to isolate your muscles in order to get those gains. For our final exercise, which is my personal favorite, I'm gonna get creative with the squat machine and use it to do some donkey kicks. This exercise takes care of the lower back, glutes, hamstrings, hips, and the core. Thumbs this video up for working out and leading a healthful lifestyle. Make sure to follow me on all of my social media in the description box below and comment what your favorite exercise to do at the gym is. I can't wait to hear what they are and possibly try them in a future video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I'll see you all in the next one. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to BeautyThat. Bye! Mwah.